Object pronouns together. Can you use both direct and indirect object pronouns in the same sentence? Of course. Yes, just as when used separately, they are usually placed either before the conjugated verb or attached to an infinitive. Remember to drop the final E first. So it can be attached to the infinitive, a gerund, a command, or the exclamation ecco. So these are just some other things that you can attach it to, okay? For example, ti posso chiamare? Can I call you? So we put it before the conjugated verb, posso. We can say posso chiamarti. Okay, again, attached to the infinitive, but you take off the E first. What order do you put them in? So indirect object pronouns always come before direct object pronouns when used together. The indirect object pronoun also changes form slightly when preceding a direct object pronoun. For example, Giovanni gives the book to me. So we have Giovanni dà il libro a me. So this is correct. You could say it just like this. Giovanni dà il libro a me. Okay. Or you can say Giovanni gives it to me. So you'd be replacing the book with it, or il libro is replaced with lo. Okay. A me, you can move it here. Me lo da. So the indirect object pronoun comes before the direct object pronoun when used together. So Giovanni me lo da. Okay. I just wanted to give you one example here so as not to confuse you too much. So just study this one example until you really understand it. And then, obviously, if you have any questions, just post it in the community. But, it's just something that you have to get used to using because we don't really use it like this in English. So it's just a little bit different.